This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Spring Carlisle. We're taking a walk about the car corral, and this 41 Buick Super just caught my eye. I like the two-toning on it. Very pretty. Very striking. Nicely done. It's got the overriders, the extra bumperettes on the end. It's had some work done on it. Right through here you'll see some blends, but she's an old girl. 88K on the odometer, asking 16.9, which actually is not a bad price. And again, it's a pre-war Buick. It's a 41. Of course, these have the straight 8s. Beautiful, beautiful cars. It's got some nice options on it. Of course, the skirts and such. What do you think? Post your comments. Hello. Don't say anything dirty. I'm shooting video. I'm going to grab the interior over here. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you.
I don't talk dirty.
Excuse me?
I don't talk dirty.
Good. Thank you. Thank you, Shoot. No problems. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Spring Carlisle. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're at it, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.